Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, which is blue in color. So let's get started. Now this is a very good looking smartphone from Samsung. Now the screen size that it offers is 6.5 inches, which is a pretty decent screen size. Now when I'm holding this, the kind of grip and the kind of handling is very smooth. It's not very bulky and not too slim so that it slips out of your hand. Plus, it is slim in design, so even if you want to keep it in your pocket and all, you won't feel the pain or you won't feel that it is very heavy. Now, the cameras it has is at the rear side you get 12, 12 and 8 megapixel cameras, and here on the front side you get 32 megapixel cameras. Now, the display is Super AMOLED Infinity display, and plus the resolution that it has is 2400 by 1080 pixels. So you get good view if you want to view your pictures, your videos, whatever you're viewing, it makes your viewing experience really nice. You get good speakers in this, and the sound and the kind of audio it offers is Dolby audio. That means the sound is nice, you will like to listen to your favorite tracks and all, you will get a good sound experience. Now the kind of processor it has is Octa-Core 990 processor, which is very fast. So the touch response and the user interface and all is very nice and smooth. You won't have problems in those things. So the camera is nice, the feel is also very good. Here the color combinations are also very stylish. It is from a very popular brand, Samsung, so you don't have to worry about the warranties or any other technical issues with the phone. So all in all, it's a great phone with a good processor. You get 8 GB RAM in this phone and you get 128 GB ROM. So if you're somebody who likes to download a lot of apps or a lot of games or pictures on your phone, then storing them will not be much of a problem. Now the kind of SIM cards that you can put inside is, you can put 2 SIM cards in this, nano SIM cards. So it is compatible with that, and the Bluetooth it has is 5.1. So that means you can easily connect whenever you want to connect your speakers with this phone. There won't be much of a problem. So the Bluetooth is good, it's 5.1, and the kind of Android it has is Android 10. So you get the latest Android. So for your apps, to download your apps, to upgrade them, all in all, everything, your functioning becomes really smooth. So this was it about Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Looks very stylish. Feel of the phone is nice, the weight is also perfect, and you get a 6.5 inches good FHD screen. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.